I'm Christy Rost. What can be more traditional than pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving? Not just any pie, but one that begins with a pie pumpkin just like this. Today, I'm going to bypass canned pumpkin and show you how to make an incredibly delicious roasted pumpkin pie. Slice your pie pumpkin in half, scoop out all the seeds and the pulp, and turn it upside down on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Roast that at 400 degrees for about 40 to 50 minutes until it's nice and soft. And then scoop out all the pulp, put it into a food processor, and puree it until it's really smooth. Once the pulp is pureed, then transfer it to a bowl. And one of the reasons I really like to do a roasted pie is that the browning that occurs while that pie pumpkin is flat down on the baking sheet, you get extra flavor because you get all that caramelization of the natural sugars. And then add in 1 1/4 teaspoons of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, a little bit of ground cloves, that's about 1/4 teaspoon, an 1/8 teaspoon of allspice. So we're building a beautiful spicy flavor profile here. And then I have a whole nutmeg, and I'm going to grate this. I need about a 1/2 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. So I just use my microplane here. The aroma is incredible from this. Okay. Then I just use a whisk and blend this together. Then I add in about a cup of sugar. If you want to reduce the amount of sugar a bit, just put in 3/4 of a cup. Beautiful. Then add in 3 eggs and whisk that in till it's nice and smooth. In the meantime, I have preheated my oven to 425 degrees. And then I add in 1 cup of evaporated milk. Pour that in slowly and stir it gently. Add in the rest. And I have a 10-inch pie shell waiting for me in the fridge. You always want to keep your pastry nice and cold. So I keep it in the fridge until I'm ready. And again, this is a 10-inch. This makes a lot of filling. Pour this in. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. And I don't want to miss any, so I'm going to get another spatula here and get all of that in. Okay, so bake this for 15 minutes at 425 degrees. Then turn down the heat and bake at 350 for another 40 to 50 minutes until the center is set. And you can check that by taking a sharp knife, sticking it right in the middle, just so slightly. If it comes out clean, the pie is ready. Thanksgiving celebrations may be smaller this year, so it's more important than ever to hold on to family traditions. On the other hand, it's a great time to try something new, like my gorgeous roasted pumpkin pie. Happy Thanksgiving. Take care, stay safe, find the joy.